Hey guys, today I am going to demonstrate the iPad Air 4 and Air 5. If you know this, you can do everything else. The same process applied to any other model. So when you do glass only, you're gonna have to use the packing tape like this. So I'm gonna scrape it off just like that, nothing special. See the scrape of that adhesive? So all you have to do is like slide it right under that like this, leave it, and then you're gonna use this plastic film, dip a little bit of alcohol, and then you're gonna slide it under the stencil. Okay, now the reason is if you make this kind of starting point, you don't even have to think, you just drop the wire and start cutting off. That's it. So this is a very beautiful cut. Now we're gonna move on to the cleaning process. So I use this like spinning tools. You always have to like 90-degree level, and then just pick up a little bit glue at the time. Now you put it in the middle, and then you apply the first coating. We're gonna wait for 30 seconds, and we're gonna do the second step, cleaning up. Okay, I'm in clean room, and this is the glass with the OGA pre-install. So what I'm gonna do, that one flex cable, this is top, there's a big notches, is the bottom, where the camera hole is the top. Don't let it touch with your finger, and you just drop it on the top. There's a hole in the bottom, so let it touch in the middle. That's it. So I'll just drop it here. 30 seconds for lamination and 30 seconds for vacuum. Now the lamination is done. Let's check on it. You have to laminate right away. We shouldn't take too long. So this is kind of normal. Okay, this is the final result. We are customized waiting outside, so we have to be rushed a little bit. We're gonna love the profit margin.